Hey guys, flu season is up on us. So guys, we're gonna get a lemon, cut it, add some sea salt, honey, and sprinkle all over, and you put as much as you want. And we're gonna put it in the microwave. I put it in there for 15 minutes first, and then I put it in there for another minute because it wasn't how I wanted it. And then you're gonna take it out, and that's how it's supposed to be. Make sure you cut off the bottom of the lemon also. And that is a natural remedy for cough, for your throat. So guys, watch for more. Bye.